Hello everyone and welcome to Craft Club. My name is Amy and today we're going to be making something together. You might know Forky from Toy Story 4. Well, today we're going to make some friends for him. For this craft, you are going to need a spork, a popsicle stick cut in half, some googly eyes, stickers, Play-Doh, a pipe cleaner, either a glue stick or tacky glue, either will work, and anything else you might want to use to decorate, like markers. Let's start off by taking our glue stick or tacky glue and sticking our eyes onto the round part of the spork head. I'm only going to use 2 eyes, but you can use however many you want. Then, for the mouth, I'm going to take some Play-Doh and roll it out in my hands to get a Play-Doh rope. Then I'll use that rope to make a circle to form an O for the mouth. My Forky friend is going to be surprised. Then I'll stick it onto the spork. To give our friend some legs to stand on, stick a ball of Play-Doh onto the bottom of the spork. Then stick your popsicle stick halves into the ball to create a stand. For the arms, wrap your pipe cleaner around the stem of the spork. Then bend the pipe cleaner so that your friend can strike a pose. Now, Forky from Toy Story has a rainbow sticker on his leg, but I'm going to use a smiley face sticker instead. You can use whatever sticker you want. And then you can use whatever other creative materials you have to finish decorating your friend. I'm going to draw on rosy cheeks with a marker, and I'm going to give it a pink Play-Doh eyebrow. And there you have it! I'm going to name my friend Violet, just like the violet color of her arms. But Violet needs some friends. So now it's your turn. Let's see what friends you can create. And if you enjoyed this craft, I recommend you check out the book Forky and Craft Buddy Day by Drew Daywalt, where you can get to know Forky from Toy Story even better and even meet some of his buddies. That's all for today, so thanks for tuning in everyone, and I'll see you next time!